Hey, see your channel. You are still the Canning family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Today I'll be making stir-fried beef with rice and beans with plantain. So let's get started. First things first, I'll start with putting in my oil and then I'll put in my beef. So let's do it. And I already cut my beef. And make sure you always put oil. So you guys, now I'm about to put in my beef, and I put in black pepper, white pepper, I put in salt, I put in Maggi, I put in all-purpose seasoning, and yeah. So let's put it in. One more. So you guys, now I'm going to separate it. So you guys, while my beef is getting ready, I'll go ahead and make my rice. So yeah. So I took up the screen here, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. So yeah. I'm gonna let it fry until it's ready. So yeah, stay tuned. So you guys, while my beef is getting ready, now let's cook our rice. So first things first, you always have to put on oil. Now put in my chopped onions and then I'll mix. So yeah. Now I'm gonna mix. Yay! Now I'm gonna put in my bell pepper. My beef is ready. I'll put on my plate and then I'll go ahead and fry my plantain. So let's do it. And I have to let it to drain first. This looks yummy already. Now let's fry our plantain. And I have put salt inside my plantain. So let's do it. Guys, while my plantain is getting ready, now let's continue with our rice. So let's do it. Yeah, you did. It's cool. You see it? So you guys, you're trying to say that so inside there's bell pepper and another bell pepper and then there's onions. That's what she was trying to say. And if you didn't hear, she said that I'm mixing right now. So that's what she said. And by the way, she's helping me. By the way, the plant is almost ready. Do you see? The plant is already ready. Peace. So you guys, now put in my mixed vegetable. Corn, green beans, and carrots. So yeah, let's put it. No. So you guys, I'm about to put in my tomatoes. And I'm going to make your life colorful. Now I'm going to stir again. So you guys, now I'll put in my sauce. Now put in my bay leaf and Maggi. But first things first, I'll start off with putting in my bay leaf. Now put in my Maggi. Last one, guys. Now I'll put seasoning. Now I'll put in my black pepper. Now I'm going to be putting in my white pepper. Now I'll be putting in my cayenne pepper. Last but not least, I'll be putting in my paprika. Let's mix and put in our rice. Now put in my rice. Let's go again. Now I'll be putting in my rice. And I'm not going to put in all of it. You hear that little sounds? So yeah, this is how my rice looks like. I'm going to put in my plantain and beef. So let's do it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, by the way. I hope you guys are having a very good time. So let's go get our beef. But first things first, I'll be starting off with putting in my plantains first. Always. Okay. Put all of it. Now let's put in our beef. So yeah. Gonna put this away. So you guys, this is the last color of the day. So yeah, now I'll put in my leeks. Put this in the sink. And now, let's mix. So you guys, this is how my stir-fried beef with rice and plantain, and yeah, so yeah. Look how bomb this is. This looks so good, guys. Like, yeah, this looks so bomb. So you guys, anyways, now let's put in our beans. I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes and then I'll take it out. So yeah, let's go get our beans. Right here, and I'll put inside right here. So let's do it. So you guys, I put my beans inside my pot and I'm going to let it to cook for 5 minutes and then I take it off. Stir. Hey guys, this is how my rice looks like. I'm going to cover it and let it to cook for 5 minutes and then I'll take it off. So yeah, let's do it. And if you're wondering if I have a tissue here, it's because the lid is hot. I don't want to. So you guys, this is the end result. You see how bomb this looks, and now it's time to serve. And now we're finished our stir-fried beef with rice mixed with beans and plantain. So now let's start. So yeah. Just gonna take a spoon. Let me show you how bomb this looks. Look how bomb this looks. Now let's serve. So you guys, we're finished, and yeah, do you like it? So you guys, we're finished our stir-fried beef with rice mixed with beans and plantain. And I add some scallion on the top, and do you like it, by the way? And this is the end of stir-fried beef with rice mixed with beans and plantain. So I hope you guys like it. So you guys, you always have to pray before you eat. Amen, amen. Lord bless this food, bless you guys in half. Thank you for life, thank you for everything. Amen. Now let's taste. Taste this. Want anything to fall? 3, 2, 1. And I have to go. 3, 2, 1. You guys really gotta taste this. This is super delicious. You guys, I'm not joking with this one. It's super duper delicious, and you really gotta try this. And these are for those who made it to the end. And this is how it looks like. 3, 2, 1. You guys, if you want to learn IT, if you want to be a deficit engineer or a cloud engineer, click in the link below to register. And the name is Team for Tech Solution. So this is the end results. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I have a YouTube channel. Can you please subscribe to it by liking, subscribing, and following? And I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. And I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.